Hola amigos, ¿cómo estamos? I'm Hannah from Speak Better Spanish. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between derecho and derecha. So they sound super similar, and they actually have some similar uses as well. So while derecha actually means right, as in on the right-hand side, your right hand, or something like that, and derecho actually means straight when we're talking about directions. So you might be in a taxi or with a friend, you might be giving them directions. You might say derecho, you might say a la derecha, things like that to indicate movement in that direction or location of something. But they also have some other uses, and the main one being that derecho has a lot of uses such as rights, like derechos legales, legal rights. And I can't really think of any uses of derecha, maybe I'm wrong, but I can't really think of any uses of derecha other than that directional sense. So if you see derecho and it doesn't make sense why it's being used because it's not meaning straight ahead or move in a straight direction, then you might know that it might mean something like your rights, human rights, civil rights, any type of rights, and there are a lot of other uses along those lines. So drop me a comment below using derecho or derecha, and from the context, try to make it clear which one you're using and why. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Ciao.